Welcome back aliens, my name is Navin Reddy and in this video we'll see how to create a module. In fact, to understand the concept of modularity, you have to understand the problem behind that. And that's why in the last video we have created these three classes, which is calculator, add helper and runner. In runner, we need an object of calculator because we want to calculate something. And calculator itself is depend upon add helper. Now when you make big project, we normally do that. But then for runner, the most important part is calculator, and to do its task, calculator needs help of add helper. Now, calculator and add helper, they are in some same. They are in. Imagine they are in some one jar file, and runner is in our project. So when you add a jar file, you can use all the classes. You can use calculator, you can use add helper. But we don't want to do that because, as you can see, the class add helper belongs to internal package. Name suggests that it should be used only for internal use. But anyone can use it. Can you see that in runner as well? I can use calculator. We don't want to do, we can, in runner as well, we can use add helper. We don't want to do that. I want that other people should not be able to use add helper. But how can you control it? And that's why we have a concept of module, right? So let's see how to get a module. It's very simple. If you have a Java JDK install, which is JDK 9 install, you simply click on your project and say new. There's a concept of module. Just mention a name of the module because when you get a module, name is very important. I will name this module as Telusko.main. That's my main module. So this is one of the modules we are working with. I will click on finish. The moment I do that, can you see that we have our project in which we have SRC. That's very normal. In SRC we have packages. But if you focus, you can see in something black and bold. We have Telusko main. In which you already have SRC. That means in one project you can have multiple modules, and every module will have their own source code. Now in this module, I just want to create a runner class. So whatever class you are having here, let me put that in runner in SRC. I will right-click on my project. I will say I want a new class called as runner, and in this runner I want the same output, or maybe I just want to print hello world as of now, and I will say PSVM. It should print hello. That's it. This is what I'm expecting now. You can see we have a different module in which I'm writing Java code. Will it work? Nothing different, right? This is normal Java, right? It should work. The only thing is I want to move this into a package. Now you can have your package name same as your module name, doesn't matter. It can be same or it can be different, your choice. And I will just move this class to that particular package. And I've done that. You can see in SRC we have the Telusko main in which I have runner. So everything is perfect, right? And if I run this code, it should work. So if I run this code, it should print hello. Nothing wrong in that. You can see we got the output. But then every module. So yeah, whenever you work with a module, you need two things. One, a module name, which we got here. Plus, we also need a module configuration, or how can you configure your module? Because see, module provides you lots of features, right? You can control who can use this module. You can also mention this module depend upon some other modules, as we have discussed in the theory video. So one module can depend on some other module. Or in one module, if you have 5 packages, you may want to control the number of packages you want to make it visible to the outside world. How to configure that? The way you can do that is by right-clicking, okay, not here, but on SRC, just SRC, right-click here, and there's an option of module-info.java. Now you might be wondering, can we really name a class name as, the file name as module-info? We can do that in terms of module. And we got our module. Whatever configuration you want to do, you can do it here, just right here, right? In fact, there are very famous two keywords we can use. One is requires, and the other one is export. Again, we will talk about this later. Why do we use export? Why do we use requires? Time being, this is how you create a module, and that's right. We are creating a Java file for configuration, right? That's different, right? So yeah, it will work. There's no doubt. You got your class, you got your module-info. Let's run this project once again just to see if everything is working. The moment you do that, the moment you run this file, you can see we got hello, but we also got one more folder which is out. This is interesting. If I expand out, we have our project folder which is mod demo, but that is for our normal project. But we also have Telusko main. For every module, you'll be getting a different folder. If I expand that, you got Telusko. In Telusko, you got main and you got runner.class and you got module hyphen info.class. This is how you create a module. You can create multiple modules. We can do that. So we will right click here and I will say right click new module, and this module would be, I will name this module as Telusko dot util. Again, why we'll use this, we will see that later, but you can create multiple modules. And the way I do that, you can see we got two modules. One is main, one is util, and they both have different SRC. But what's the advantage? So to understand the advantage, we will try to convert the earlier example of the last video. Remember, we have these two classes, add helper and calculator. We will try to do that in this util package, and we will control what we can use and what we should avoid. So how to do that, that we'll see in the next video. So just to recap what we have done, we have simply created a module called as Telusko main. A way you can do that is right click and creating a module, and every module needs this file called as module hyphen info.java. Right, that's how you do it. And this is the syntax of creating module. Just use module as a keyword, it's a new keyword in Java, and the name of your module. Right, it should be sensible, of course, and you can use multiple statements here. So I hope you're enjoying this session. If you are enjoying, do click on the like button and do subscribe for further videos.